National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenville downtown, or near Greenville East Side, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Greenville East Side, Malvern, Simpsonville, Five Forks, and Greenville downtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Greenville, South Carolina. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in